Morning students, before I explained you the exercise which is related from factors, now I am going to explain you another exercise which is related from composite number and prime numbers. Before this I will explain you about perfect numbers. What are perfect numbers? The number for which the sum of all its factors is twice, then that number is called a perfect number. Here is given one example also. All the factors of 6. You know that all the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. Means where 6 is coming. In which table 6 is coming. You know that 1 6 is 6, 2 3 is 6, 3 2 is 6 and 6 1 is 6. Means within all tables 1, 2, 3, 6, 6 is coming. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 6, 12. It means 12 is the total of or sum of these numbers, all factors numbers. Here 12 is the twice of 6. 6 2s are 12, yani ki twice. It means 6 is a perfect number. Now I'll explain you about prime numbers and composite numbers. Here is given that the factors, let us find out the factors of all numbers from 1 to 10. 1, only 1. 2 is coming in the table of 1 and 2. 3 is coming 1 and 3 only. 4 is coming 1 4s are 4, 2 2s are 4 or 4 1s are 4. And 5 is coming only 2 tables, 1 and 5. 6 is coming 1, 2, 3, 6. 4 tables. Within 4 tables 6 is coming. 1 6 is 6, 2 3 is 6. As I explained you before also. 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6. Then 7 is coming only within only 2 tables, 1 and 7. 8 is coming 1, 2, 4, 8. 9 is coming 1, 3, 9. And 10 is coming 1, 2, 5, 10. So, the numbers 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5 and 7 have only two factors. 1 and the number itself. These numbers are called prime numbers. You understood? Means जिस नंबर के ओनली 2 फैक्टर्स होते हैं उस नंबर को प्राइम नंबर्स बोलते हैं. एक नंबर 1 एंड वो उसके खुद के टेबल में आता है, दैट इज प्राइम नंबर. जैसे कि 7 का बताया आपको, 7 7 के टेबल में आता है और 1 के टेबल में आता है, दैट इज द प्राइम नंबर. एंड 3 ऑल्सो and 2 also and 5 also. And numbers 4 6 8 9, you can see in the table also 4 6 8 9 and 10 have more than 2 factors. Such numbers are called composite number. Means 2 से ज़्यादा फैक्टर्स जिस नंबर के होते हैं उसे composite number बोलते हैं. Remember these points. 1 is neither prime nor composite number because it has only one factor. एक यानी कि नंबर 1 ना ही प्राइम नंबर है ना ही कंपोजिट नंबर है. Why? Because इसका only one factor है, 1 only. It is called a unique number. इसको हम बोलेंगे unique number. So we define, हम कैसे define करेंगे? Prime numbers have exactly 2 factors, 1 and itself. And composite numbers have more than 2 factors. In short, you can say like this also. Now, one another method also. Here is in the table you can see that about prime numbers which are circled, that is prime numbers, and which are crossed, that is composite number. You can look here. also. All the numbers between 1 to 100, the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. Between 1 to 100. You can find more than 100. Okay. Rest all are composite numbers. I think you understood. If you have any query, you can ask me again. Now, even and odd number. As you understood before previous classes, all those numbers which end in 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, वो नंबर जिनकी एंडिंग 0, 2, 4, 6 और 8 से होती है, या फिर वो नंबर सिर्फ 2, 4, 6, 8 भी हो सकते हैं, आर इवन नंबर्स. You can look in this also. 6, 12, it is ending from 2. 18, it is ending from 8. 20, it is ending from 0. 34, it is ending from 4. So, these are even numbers. All those numbers which are not multiples of 2 are odd numbers. Means वो numbers, which numbers? वो numbers जो कि 2 से डिवाइड नहीं होते, वो सारे ऑड नंबर कहलाते हैं. जैसे कि 3 2 से डिवाइड नहीं हो सकता, 7 भी नहीं हो सकता, 21 भी नहीं हो सकता, 27 भी नहीं होता, 35 भी नहीं होता, 37 नहीं होता, 97 नहीं होता. बहुत सारे नंबर्स हैं जो 2 से कंप्लीट डिवाइड नहीं होते. इसका आंसर अगर करेंगे भी तो पॉइंट में आ सकता है, बट कम्प्लीटली इट इज़ नॉट डिवाइडिंग, बट it is dividing. You can look this also. 2, 6 are 12, means it is completely dividing. Okay, now I'll explain you exercise 2.3, which is related from prime numbers, composite numbers, even and odd numbers. Now you can give answer with yourself also. Write the smallest prime number as you see in this also. 2 is the smallest prime number. The smallest composite number, this is 4. Write the composite numbers between 15 and 30. 15 यानी कि 15 किस किस टेबल में आता है? 3, 5 and 15 यानी कि 3 फैक्टर्स. इसके 3 फैक्टर्स हैं. 1 में भी आता है, 1 you can also say, and 16 also you can say. 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. If I forget or missed any number, so don't mind that. Okay, and 18 also you can check, more than 2 factors of this number. So these all are composite number between 15 to 30. ठीक है. 15, 16, 18, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 and 30. Now you have to write the prime numbers between 50 and 75. So there are 53, 1 and 53 itself only. 59, 1 and 59. 61, 1 and 61 only. 2 factors are there. 67, 1 and 67 only. 71, 1 and 71 only. 1 and 73, यानी कि 73 also in this, but 75 is coming more than 2 tables. So these are prime numbers between 50 and 75. Now next question, the numbers 17 and 71 are both prime numbers having the same digits 1 and 7. Find such pairs of numbers up to 10. आपको 10 नहीं 100 तक के फाइंड करने हैं वो नंबर्स जो 17 और 71 बोथ प्राइम नंबर्स होते हैं. same digits. Okay, 13 and 31, 37 and 73, 79 and 97, 1 and 7 डिजिट वाले. ओके, जो प्राइम नंबर्स हैं वो आपने देने हैं. देखिए इसमें 1 दिख रहा है आपको, यहाँ 7 दिख रहा है. ठीक है, चाहे वो स्टार्टिंग में आए, चाहे वो वंस की डिजिट में आए या टेंस की डिजिट में, 7 और 7. देन फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर ए, डैश इज नाइदर प्राइम नॉर कंपोजिट. 1, एज आई टोल्ड यू, दैट इज यूनिक नंबर. 1 इज अ यूनिक नंबर. और स्मॉलेस्ट इवन नंबर दैट इज प्राइम. स्मॉलेस्ट इवन नंबर जो कि प्राइम भी है, जो वो है 2. 4 इज अ स्मॉलेस्ट कंपोजिट नंबर. 4 जो है सबसे छोटा कंपोजिट नंबर है. 19 इज द ग्रेटेस्ट प्राइम नंबर बिलो 20. 20 से पहले का सबसे ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर आपको देना है. डैश नंबर्स हैव मोर देन 2 फैक्टर्स. कंपोजिट नंबर्स हैव मोर देन 2 फैक्टर्स. देन a pair of prime numbers whose difference is 1 is 2 and 3. Now question number 6 is, express each of the following as sum of 2 odd primes. Question number A is 50. 50 का आपको odd prime numbers देने हैं जिसका total है 50. That is 47 and 3. Now on question number B, 24, 13 and 11. You have to use your brain also for finding more. Then 48, 43 plus 5. Then 74, 71 and 3. 100, 47 plus 53. 84, 43 plus 41. Now question number 7. Write 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100 such that there are no prime numbers between them. उसके बीच में प्राइम नंबर्स नहीं आने चाहिए. ऐसे आपको कंसेक्यूटिव 7 कंसेक्यूटिव कंपोजिट नंबर्स बताने हैं जो कि 100 से नीचे के हों. इसमें है 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95 and 96. Now question 8, last question related from this exercise. Write 5 pairs of consecutive prime numbers whose difference is 2. 3, 5. 5 minus 3 करेंगे तो 2 मिल रहा है आपको. ठीक है. देन 7 minus 5 करेंगे तो भी आपको डिफरेंस 2 ही मिल रहा है. 19 minus 17 तो आपको डिफरेंस मिल रहा है 2. ऐसे ही आपको 5 पेयर्स देने हैं कंसेक्यूटिव प्राइम नंबर्स के. 13 minus 11 difference is 2. 43 minus 41 difference is 2. Then 73 minus 71, now again difference is coming only 2. Thank you.